This is the only reason I came. Just to film you guys. I want to get sticky. It's okay.
Oh, there's a railroad here. That was like, is that a functioning railroad?
I don't think not.
You know, those things aren't straight.
We have a perfectly good railroad. See those people? They're walking on the railroad.
Oh yeah, they go up and then they go up. They have to straight once we die. They're people. Wait a second. Put your foot on the track. Is it vibrating?
I hear a train, no?
That could be a motorcycle.
Well, if it's the leg, we just jump to the train.
Okay, one person always look that way. It's a motorcycle. Ah! Those steps.
Yeah.
This is a trail. Huh. Since I was 6, ma'am. I know what I'm doing. Oh, I'm sinking. You're not that cold. Some of the people in our party didn't make it. They didn't have the will party. But the rest of us will continue. Continue. Continue.
What is it? The Chronicles of Narnia. How it's like good and evil.
The good forest. The evil forest. The good forest. The evil forest. And the evil witch. That was like Twilight, yo. Not that I've seen it.
Look, this is as far as we walked. See? I'll tell something.
Oh, sweet. A place to tie your horse up. Awesome. Well, in Illinois, we call it a place to tie your horse up. Imagine a whole forest doing that.
Look, someone at Starbucks.
Bethany, don't wander from the path. Bethany, don't follow any rabbits. No, over there is. You know, the bigger one. Goodbye, scenic overview. Just walking.
See, you're not
There's probably no. Realistically, there's probably rats in there.
I want to see what's on the other side.
It's not that hard. We are wasting some time though. Their car is probably faster than this.
Yeah, but they have to walk back.
Horrible way to die. Getting hit by a train with your pants down. Well, it's like a little lagoon.
Let's see it.
What?
Do you hear a train?
No, I don't.
Listen.
Actually, you know what?
You know, Bethany, at this point, I think if we saw the train, we would still have a lot of time.
we'll do the safety thing to do.
Mom and Dad would be so proud. All those triangles.
I found this in the woods, just slightly off the beaten track. Just a stone wall. Kind of weird. Kind of seeing where it leads. Oh, it's pretty far away from the path. I think I'm going to stop soon. I think I'm almost to the end. Hey, what's up? Okay, here it is. Just want to see where it leads to. Probably really old stone wall. Pretty cool. Oh, I have to actually walk through the woods. I gotta put this here.
There's no dog. That's not a dog house.
What house?
That?
That's a piece of cement, Bethany. See my foot? It looks like a dog house.
Where does that pick go to,
It ends quite a bit of ways, but I have no idea what. I have no idea. At first, I thought it was someone's property.
Probably is.
So of course, knowing me, I just trespass. But it doesn't go to anywhere. I don't know. Maybe it was like some dude's like house or something. I'm not gonna dig through that hole.
Maybe somebody hit something there.
Like a body?
I'm not.
No one seemed to look for it.
I think there's something in there.
I'd say poke it with your walking stick.
Could be an animal. I can jump this.
It's for my attempt.
Excuse me. All right.
Is like anybody in here?
The ghost is like, yes.
Any gang members?
Busker sound check. What?
This is kind of cool.
There's a lot of holes in here.
You know what, Josh? Just
Yeah,
look at that.
it was.
I think it's an
no,
old
it is
jail.
steel.
Because look at us. There was bars.
I wish I had my hat. No, that was.
It's going to get too dark. And after a while.
Let's play someone.
And
Wow. That train is active. We thought there was nothing on that train track.
walked. And Dad lay down on it. Told you I heard something.
I think it's that way. I'm pretty sure.
It's definitely not toward the power station.
Bethany, I don't think we have time for the waterfall.
Josh.
Here's the thing.
Well, that's kind of creepy.
It's a different train track. Yeah, look at the path that's supposed to be there. That's really high.
Josh, you know what that reminds me of? Colorado.
Oh yeah.
Perfectly haze.
Well, there it is, but Mom and Dad turned back about 20 seconds before they saw it. I cannot believe they turned back like 20 seconds. Well, it's pitch black now, and that's our ride. So, what'd you guys think of it?
What are you doing?
I can't see a single
Now
thing
you can with the light.
if it's a light. Well, there's our ride.
I feel like a deer in headlights.
Stop like.
Josh, Josh accidentally burned to the fire. That's not looking.
Ah! You guys stopped 20 seconds away from the waterfall.
We saw it.
What?
Josh, there's a time that you cut and run. You know?
Yeah, but we didn't.
Yeah, I was afraid that we're gonna get ticketed or towed.
Mom?
Yeah, but there was
do
a
you
guy
have any
still
hand
there.
wipes or hand sanitizer? Oh, I
Yeah, the murderer driving
Actually,
this
he
van.
was
It was
creeping me out.
that van was parked right next to our car. Only car in the parking lot, and it's right next to us.
That freak you out?
Yes.
Sorry,
freak-
Mom.
Freaked me out when he was just sitting there staring. We cannot go to the gun store. It closes at 7.
We didn't realize. Well, first it closed at 7, and I didn't realize that there was a parking.
Yeah,
Now
how
what?
if you
Now-
not pick you up now? You're walking back to 3 miles.
Okay, we gotta get home, Josh. So,
Oh well, that's easy.
okay, I gotta, do the thing.